지금 시간은 오전 8시 30분쯤 되고요. 어제 좀 피곤했지만 잘 자고 준비를 해가지고 갈 생각입니다. 일단 산지니까 이런 작은 가방 하나 챙겼어요. 가방에다가 뭐 이것저것 넣을 거 좀 챙겼고, 그리고 여기 산이니 혹시 몰라서 다양하게 준비했고요. 현생감 있게 좀 찍어보려고 목에 이제 걸어서 촬영할 수 있는 건데 샀습니다. 네. San.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Hello.
Jason.
Hi, nice to meet
Hi.
you. Finally.
Bye.
No,
I have a gift for you guys.
Oh,
thank
thank
you.
you.
This one is the Korean tower.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Korean tower. And then this is your European seller.
Yeah, I will later I pay you.
Yeah.
No problem.
European seller and your wife to give the time for me.
Glorious.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Wow, so many gifts. Thank
So
you.
many gifts.
We go to one of our friend cafe.
Yeah.
Meet them.
We
Okay.
have coffee and food first.
See you soon.
Oh, your English is okay.
Oh yeah.
Really okay. I'm worried.
I'm worried about it.
Communication.
Actually, I'm not good at, but
It's very
you guys are
because Korea is another side. Right?
yeah, always. Thank you. So you from Singapore,
I
right?
am Singapore.
Oh.
I came to stay in Thailand in 2017.
2017.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because I'm married to my wife here.
Yes.
Yeah, and then I decided to come up to stay here. Yeah.
So when did you start the roast?
Roasting about maybe 3-4 years back.
3-4 years back. Oh.
Yeah, 3-4 years back. I roast for my own drinking.
For your drinking.
And then I start to roast a little bit more.
Uh-huh.
And then I start to share with friends.
Ah.
And then get more and more. I start selling.
Uh,
Yeah. And I want to bring the Thai specialty coffee to overseas
Ah,
market.
yes.
Not in Thailand because too many roasters in Thailand.
right.
Yeah, and to my country also, Malaysia, Singapore.
Yeah.
So I try to introduce a good Thai specialty coffee. This is my main goal for
goal for
roasting.
Oh. Hi.
Hello. Oh my God. So we can have coffee first.
Yes.
This Java is from this farm. It's a Java varietal. Walking.
이게 저분이 하셨다는 작년 크롭이래요. What?
How to pronounce your name?
Just
It's rank 16 this year.
rank 16.
Yeah.
16.
Thai specialty coffee competition.
But
Rank
it's-
16. He got
it's
the rank
just-
16. Natural
ไม่
and
สาย
Arabic.
พันธุ์ธรรมดา
Normal varietal. Mix.
Yes.
Mix มัน
ใช่เป็น
Mix varietal. Mix varietal.
This is not my coffee yet.
Warm up.
Warm up? Warm up coffee. Thank you. 이거는 에티오피아 세미 오시트. 산미톤이 좋았네요.
Chiang Mai over developed like Bangkok already. Chiang Mai coffee community quite close to each other. We don't fight each other.
Actually, Korea is also same.
Yeah. Have a common interest to develop the Chiang Mai coffee. He helped to develop the farming.
Yes.
ขั้นตอนนี้ตัวจะว่า
So this
Roast
this
the
lot will be going to the auction.
Auction.
Last year's natural geisha cost 30,000 baht per kg.
Yeah. I saw that.
So that farmer he sold just a bag of coffee and he got 1 million baht. Crazy.
You could do that. Sometimes. 맛이 납니다. 되게 클린해요.
ทีเยอะมากเลย
클린하고
มีอะไรไม่รู้เดี๋ยวจะลิงก์ทีคือยังไง
น่าจะ
노트는 제가 나중에 설명을
กว้างไม่
드릴게요.
เหมือนกันนะ
되게 맛있습니다.
แล้วก็หอมครับแล้วก็รสชาติมากเหมือนกัน
แต่หวาน
แต่ว่า latte art champion. Yes.
아우.
자, คนที่ได้แชมป์ปีนี้ลูกศิษย์ทั้งหมดเลย
와우. Thank you.
Yeah.
쿠키를 제가 샀어요. 같이 먹으려고. 커피도 이렇게 받고 하니까.
พีช
อันนี้ตอนไหน
จะว่าวอช
อ๋อจะวอช
Okay, this is for you.
아, 와.
Yes.
อันนี้ coffee
Thank you so much.
เดี๋ยวเรา
선물 줬습니다.
เออ
ที่ไหนไปถาม
아, 주고받는
เดี๋ยวเรา
재미.
wash Java wash this is a Java wash
Wash it.
wash
ต้องเอาวอชไหมต้อง
I think the Thai coffee has there's special characters in the taste. I think, yeah.
but sometimes the better one have a bit of floral jasmine
Have a good trip. Have a safe trip.
it's just normal clear soup but have the pork and the beef which one
Beef.
beef
Yeah.
เนื้อด้วย
สไปซี่นะ สไปซี่
yeah Korean food
Korean food also spicy, so
yeah yeah so you can add in Have you visited any coffee farm before?
ไม่เคย
it's first time.
First time.
It's first time.
First time. So I think in the future,
Mm-hmm.
I think this place, Thailand will be like a
Good.
coffee
Good,
journey.
Yeah.
Coffee journey,
Yeah,
so
good,
everyone
good.
can come and visit.
Yeah.
Because it's not too far like Panama.
I think it's possible. Yes.
Yes.
Oh.
I think where we go coffee is 1,200 meters.
1,002.
Yeah,
Oh.
above.
Above.
Yeah, some maybe can reach to 1,500.
But it's a coffee altitude. It's
Yeah.
good for
Attitude.
coffee.
Yeah.
But too high is not good because the
The
Frost.
forest.
first, right?
My son is an organic farmer.
Organic
He
farmer.
try to use organic fertilizer.
Fertilizer.
Yeah. I think you can use both, but focus use organic compost more than the fertilizer.
But I feel every coffee lover, serious coffee lover must
Yeah.
visit the coffee farm because to understand how hard to farm,
Yeah.
to get the coffee.
Right.
Yeah, that's why we are paying. We're paying the money for the farmer. This is the first village.
First village. Oh.
Then the next village is on top.
Oh.
We go to the farm first.
Go to the first farm.
More good road, animal, adventure.
Oh, this one is for coffee, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Many commercial coffee here, commercial grade. The main varietal here like Katimo,
Katimor.
Kachura,
Kachuai.
and
Katimor.
Kachuai,
Mm.
Kachura and Kachuai, and some bourbon.
Bourbon.
In the future, if you want to open your roastery,
Right.
you can consider specialty about Thai coffee.
Okay.
we can help you find a way.
Right.
Exclusive.
I will introduce many Korean roasters for you guys.
We are afraid we have not enough coffee
Yeah.
to share. Not enough. Yeah.
This the trap
Trap.
for the coffee borer.
Oh.
The buck.
The box.
Yeah. The avocado with the coffee. I think in this plantation, I think almost 300
300.
avocado trees
Oh.
here. Okay, watch out your head. And this is
Nursery.
Oh.
Young coffee.
Young coffee.
yeah.
อันนี้สายพันธุ์อะไร
For this, I need Java.
อัน Java.
Java.
Java varietal.
Oh.
But it's a baby.
Yeah, you see.
Young.
Yes.
See. Yeah, you can take picture. No.
Some 3 generation.
Second generation.
The
So
first
the first generation we collect from KALEB Jordan from
Jordan.
잼포레스트.
from 잼포레스트.
잼포레스트.
And then this
Ah.
is second generation. from
Second
here.
generation from here.
Yeah, second is one.
Oh.
We grow here 4 years and we can collect our seed and then this one.
It's gonna be Thailand COE1, right?
The characteristic of the Java is here. You see
The brown color tip.
The brown color tip.
It's a-
The new one.
the bone, the tip.
Oh.
But Geisha will be green.
Yeah.
Both green tip and
Oh. This
brown.
is Java, so
Java. Yeah,
the brown one.
yeah.
Mm.
The unconstantly rain is not good for harvesting
Mm.
because you have many times
To pick the.
to pick the cherry,
yeah.
the ripe cherry.
Mm.
Yeah. It's because of the climate change. The weather is not good anymore, like the past compared to the past. Avocado
Oh. This one is.
still small,
Yeah.
so it's
It's very hard to take care.
Mm.
hard to take care. The house is
The taste
The
is different from the.
the same.
Same.
Same in the
Same.
supermarket.
Same in the supermarket.
From the Mexico.
Oh.
This is New Zealand.
New
Milk
Zealand.
From New Zealand. We call has. I think it costs, and in the supermarket it costs 1 foot,
Uh-huh.
99 baht, right?
Yeah.
But here in Thailand, I think it's around 35 to 45 baht per 1 foot.
Oh.
It's healthy food. So here we need more trees for the coffee.
Yes.
So you can see the difference under the tree and outside the tree. You see the coffee look
Tall.
healthier
Healthier.
because it's under the trees,
Under the trees.
under the shade. You
Oh.
can see the leaf, right?
Yeah.
You can see. So we
The coffee love the windy and cool.
Windy.
Cool. Yes, cool and cooling wind.
we pick this size because in the afternoon the sun will go to that way,
Ah.
so no more sun.
No more sun.
So Java like
Java like that.
the weather like that,
Mm.
the temperature like that. The sun come this way, right? In the morning,
Mm-hmm.
they get the sun,
Mm.
but after the sunlight, but after
Afternoon.
after lunch, after afternoon, no more sun.
Okay.
That area is very good to go
Okay.
Asia and special varietals.
There's a box?
Yeah, the bugs. You see that the bugs.
They're biting the
Oh.
meat.
Yeah. I don't know what kind of bug that is this.
Oh.
And they pick on
eat the leaves.
they pick only Java. Maybe tastier.
Yeah,
All right.
Sweet. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe that one, the bug,
Yes.
the pits. Yeah, you see that?
The
Like
fly.
Yeah, the flying like a big mosquito. The difficult part of the doing coffee is farm management.
Farm management.
Very difficult. And,
Very typical.
and you invest a lot of money. You put a lot of money, but the return is I think,
Right.
yeah, very difficult.
But many people think that just grow naturally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. And you can you
Oh.
see avocado. You pick avocado and eat avocado and pick the coffee. Happy
Yeah.
life. You see here, very
Oh.
big and nice.
I heard that coffee cherry is pretty tasty.
Yeah, right. And this is geisha.
Geisha, big.
Yeah,
Oh.
very big. Back to the car and
Yeah.
we go to another side. Oh, อันนี้ใหญ่แล้วเนี่ย This one much bigger.
This one?
Oh.
นี่ใหญ่แล้ว
Oh.
Yeah,
Java.
you have to.
Close up.
This is we call sucker.
Sucker.
Mm.
Sucker is not good for all the food. Because it's
The nutrient.
the nutrient. All the nutrient will go to the sucker.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
This is
So
the
get rid of it
throw away.
and throw away. And, yeah.
Yeah.
So from now, the nutrients will go to the food.
Go to the cherries.
cherry, yeah.
Right.
That this activity we do, or we do during winter season.
Oh.
It will come very fast.
Yeah.
After here, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, to come out again. And kind of.
Wow.
Mm.
So when you come here in the winter season, you see red colors. Not
Okay.
like this. Red
Red.
cherries.
Oh, there's a red.
Yeah. Is what mean the climate change?
Yeah.
This sudden red.
You
appear.
see the climate change. The weather is not the same as like the past,
Mm.
Mutation.
so they get confused. The
Oh,
tree
yeah.
also get confused.
Right.
When it's hot season, maybe one day, 3 season one day.
สุกแล้วเนาะ
ถูกแล้ว Hey, lucky you can
You can try.
You
This
can
is
try
same
and
like
taste it.
same like the winter.
ว้าว cover กินได้ครับ
หนึ่งอัน You
Yeah,
try
you
it.
can try
Oh,
it.
yeah.
The
You take picture
yeah,
first,
just-
yeah.
You can take picture first.
Oh, that's okay.
Beautiful, right?
Yes.
Long bean and
ตัวนี้ตัวอะไรสายพันธุ์ Java เหมือนกัน
Java ครับ This
Oh,
is
this is Java.
Java.
Yeah, you can
You
taste
use
the
that.
original coffee.
Mm.
Original.
Sweet. I'm not sure if there is it's still sweet in this season.
Sweet.
But those swallow the bean,
Yeah.
the seed.
This one. Just
Mm.
take out. Yeah.
You just take the mucilage, the sticky mucilage. Oh, big.
Yeah,
Big.
big. It's
And
very big.
you can take this at a seed and to grow it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're still
Oh.
alive. Embryo in there.
Oh.
Embryo in there.
Very sticky.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sticky.
yeah.
Sticky.
So the sticky that we call mucilage, right? The
Mucilage.
sticky we'll use for the fermenting.
Fermenting.
Because
Fermentation.
it contains a lot of sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah.
Mm. Oh,
Yeah, keep it.
interesting.
Souvenir.
Well, I'm a souvenir from
Yeah.
Magpie Farm. Yeah, we see here we grow lychee, grow
Lychee.
avocado,
Yeah.
banana,
Yeah.
tea.
Oh.
You tea, wild tea. My mom and our two workers, they still work.
Still walking.
They're working.
Oh.
We are sure that we can go geisha in this
Okay.
this pace. So we will start go more.
Trial area.
Trial.
Okay. Trial.
Trial,
Testing. Trial.
This side also very good. You see the sun will come to that way.
Yes.
After no more sunlight,
Okay.
which is very good. the geisha.
아,
Hopefully next year we can
Okay.
share you some for the roasted coffee
Okay.
geisha.
Only few sample.
เดี๋ยวเราจะขอพี่เจกับเรานี่ได้ชิมกันบ่อยๆ